Hey, it's Chapter 4, Atoms and Elements, Section 4.1, Elements and Symbols. This is going to be real quick, just a couple of tips. Elements, they are pure substances that cannot be broken down. So, anything that's on the periodic table is an element. So it's on the periodic table. Okay, we can't break them down. As soon as we start to break them down, they are no longer that element. But the big problem that I see is element symbols. So like for instance, this is neon. It's a capital letter and then a lowercase letter. So you can't write it like this. That doesn't work, right? Because that's another capital letter. So that's a big thing. And it's very, very important that you memorize the element names and symbols that are at the beginning of these notes. So the ones that I give you. And here's why. Every test that you take in science where you're required to use a periodic table, they will only have the element symbols. They will not have the element names. Plus, further on, we're going to be working with stuff like this. Let's use a really simple one that you all know. You need to know that this is sodium and this is chloride, which is different than chlorine, but you'll learn that later on. So memorize your element names and symbols.